of the national capital now. We'll get you the ground reports that have been coming in because it was a sudden weather change that the people of Delhi and NCR witnessed. There was intense dust storm, there was lightning, there was thunderclap, there was hail, and there was power cut and disruptions that was witnessed in areas across the national capital, including in Bhavana, in Narela, in Jahangirpuri, in civil lines in Model Town, in Burari, and in Nizamuddin area as well. Power lines were damaged by the falling of trees and branches on them. Delhi metro services were also briefly affected. However, they have been restored. Let's take a ground report that is now coming in of what happened in Delhi last week.
We're reporting from outside the Hazrat Nizamuddin police station near the Lodhi Road area, and on your screen you can see how this giant tree has been completely uprooted as a result of the dust storm that took over the national capital yesterday. In fact, on your screens you're seeing how it has also smashed into the two cars parked here. One is a red Hyundai Eon. Completely the windshield has been shattered. You're seeing the trunk of the tree embedded, in fact, in the car. Fortunately, people were not injured. These are, in fact, police-owned vehicles as well, as is written on the back of the car. The another car is Maruti Suzuki Brezza. And in fact, what is happening early morning as a result of the uprooting of this tree is that traffic is also quite congested. Multiple vehicles. Remember, this is office time. In fact, a gentleman is also making a video of the damage that has taken place on his mobile phone as well. But you will see that traffic early morning is also disrupted. Now, about 50 trees were uprooted. These are the number of calls that were received by both the Delhi Fire Services as well as the NDMC late last night. Once again, showing you the visuals of how even the electric wires and cables were also affected due to the uprooting of this giant tree. Remember, yesterday the storm was intense. Wind speed up to 80 km per hour was also recorded across the city. As a result, 12 domestic flights were also diverted towards Jaipur, and an international flight was diverted towards Mumbai. As well as multiple delays were also observed in the arrival and the departure, and a total of 2 people unfortunately lost their lives in the dust storm that happened yesterday.
Northern part of India, which was struggling with high temperature and scorching heat, has just witnessed a very heavy downpour, and the effects of it have started to appearing in the national capital. We are reporting from the central Delhi, and I would urge my camera person Akash to show how this huge tree has been uprooted because of the strong winds that were flowing just 15-20 minutes ago. Remember, according to IMD, the speed of the winds have reached close to 80 km per hour in different places, and as a result, there has been a lot of instances of trees or posters being uprooted, one of which you can see here, which is now falling on the road, and it has also led to a traffic chaos. Remember, this is a crucial office hour where the employees who are working goes back to their respective home, and because of such wind and of the water logging that will start to happen, certain problems, certain administrative problems will start to kick in especially for the office hour, the work employees. So far, there has not been any unfortunate news of any death or any public property damage, but such instances of trees getting uprooted, posters getting uprooted is common. It is to be seen how the authorities will react, because remember, waterlogging is one such issue which happens after rainfall in the national capital. So far, there has not been any case to that, but the winds were quite strong. The lightning has happened. Hailstorm has also happened in the national capital, in parts of Lodhi Road and other parts as well. So it is to be seen how authorities will react to it.
However, there has been a slight respite from the scorching heat, and of course, when it comes to improvement in the air quality, that is also being noticed. With that, we head into a short break.